We're analyzing central index position basically. We're analyzing from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame to look out for trade opportunities. We will having a general view on this index in today's video. So coming to the weekly time frame on this index, we can see that we had previously I did the video analysis on central index. I did the video market analysis on this index, and I created the buys. I caught these buys. This breakout we got at this point, I called it. I said we have to get more buys in the coming days and weeks on 75 index, which we actually did. So currently, price is on this level. So what do you expect of this index? I would expect a reversal from this current price level or a continuation of this bullish move. Right. So we have our levels which we have to pay attention to. We have key levels on this index, on this current price level market is on. We have this level as an important level because you can see that we got price buy from as a support, the buys as a support, resistance at this level, and when we move our chart, you can still see that this was a resistance level as well. So this is a key level, we can say, because we got market tracked on this level as a support and as a resistance. So what do we expect of this index on how we've seen that it's tracking on a key level of resistance? Because market is trading below this level, which was once a support, not on resistance. So you could expect the rejection from this level to this identified key level. At this point, you got price breakout from this consolidation resistance level. So that's my market expectation. The sales from this current price level to downside are likely to get price reject from this level to the downside. And when we zoom in the chart, you can see that we already got a first attempt on this level. We already got price at this level the first time, which we got this candlestick rejection, this candlestick weak formation at this point, and currently market tested this level again with this rejection candle. Remember, this is a weekly time frame, so every candle here took 1 week to form, and we can see that this current candlestick, this current week, we are getting a rejection from this identified level. So are we to get the sells in the coming week? And so are we to get central index sell in the coming week? Because you can see that we are getting a bearish candlestick formation on this weekly time frame candle. So daily time frame, what was it saying? Daily time frame is looking good as well. We got the first test of this level, and now we're getting the second test, which could actually mean that price trying to give a double top formation, which is a bearish reversal pattern, right? So currently we've got the last day, which created this candlestick, this bearish candlestick, then followed up with this current candlestick we're getting at this point. So I'm looking out for sell opportunities on this index. I'm looking out for the sales in the coming days and hours and weeks. Right, so let's watch for these good sells on central index. So data frame is looking good, not bad as well, and we have this uptrend which price hasn't broken out of it yet. We have this uptrend basically, so you have to watch out for this trend as well, because we could get price reject from this trend support, because you can see that we first got a rejection here as a support, trend support at this point, right, and the second rejection here, a trend support. So you could get price give a move to the downside for a possible rejection on this trend support. So if you have to take any sell trade, you should pay attention to this trend support. The trend support you should pay attention to this trend support. This trend support. You should pay attention to this trend support. This trend support should be one of our take profit levels if you have to get multiple positions on these sells. Right, so let's pay attention to this trend support, because you could get price react on this level, and our trend resistance as well. Everything's looking good. Market is still an uptrend on daily time frame, but the sells still expected on central index, because we're getting the rejections on a strong resistance level, in a strong weekly time frame resistance level. So day time frame is looking good as well, but the sells still expected. So the 4 hour time frame, what was it saying? How do we get an entry on this index? So we have a level identified here on the 4 hour time frame. We identified this level, and I was like, if price can give a test of this identified level, right, if price can give us a test here after this breakout, because when we go to a lower time frame like 15-minute time frame, you can see that we had a level already. We had a key level at this point. We got multiple market reaction on this level. Let's identify the market reactions on this level on the 15-minute time frame. We got price sell from here as a resistance, which you can see when we zoom in the chart. You can see that we got the rejection on this level as a resistance. Secondly, we got another reaction on this level, but not really a perfect reaction, but price still broke below this level and retested it as a resistance. So we got a resistance at this point as well, resistance reaction at this point. So this is the second reaction on this level, and where's the third reaction we got the third reaction at this level resistance. There was a break and test of this level. There was a break here. Price first broke above this level as a support, broke below it. We tested it here as a resistance. We got the sell to the downside. Then another retest at this point. Also got this little sell to the downside. So this is an important level, a level we should pay attention to. So this is the third reaction on this level basically. Sorry, this is the third reaction here. Support at this point and resistance at this level. The fourth reaction, then the fifth reaction here. So the sixth reaction at this point, because we got a break and retest of this level. There was a breakout here as a resistance level broken on support. See the breakout at this point. We test here, you got this bias to the upside. So this is the fifth reaction on this identified level. The sixth reaction here, resistance at this point as well. Then we got price, support, my bad, support at these levels, support here, support here, support here, support at this point. This is the last reaction we got before price broke below this level properly. We got this break and test here, but don't really a proper retest, so we have to expect price to push to the upside. So I'm actually anticipating the buys on Central Index to the upside for the sells. I'm looking out for sell opportunities. Let's not forget, if price can give us a good retest of this level, then I'm looking out for the sells on Central Index. So that's why I identified this level on the 4-hour time frame. I knew that we had a key level here. I knew that we had a key level at this point which I identified. So I was like, if price can give you a test of this identified level, then I'm looking out for my sell opportunities. So if I'm to take my sales on this index, I've been having my TP levels identified according to the levels and zones we got markets react on. Firstly, we had a level, or we have a level at this point which we should pay attention to and which price could retest on. Right, we got price buy from here as a support at this point, support here, broke below it, resistance, support here, sorry, resistance at this point, resistance here, support here. So there's a possibility and there's a high probability of price reacting on this level when price gets to it. So let's pay attention to this level. So this would be our first TP level if we can get the retest of this identified key level on the 15-minute time frame. If price can give us a good retest here, if price can give us a good retest at this point, then I'm looking out for sell opportunities on that identified level. I'm looking out for market formations, for trade confirmations to get into these sales at this point. So that's my view and market analysis on this index. So we'll be having my first TP level basically. First TP level would be at this identified level. My second TP level would be at this point, because you can see that we also got market reaction on this level a couple of times. At least 2 times we got reactions on this level. The first reaction here as a support, the second reaction here as a support. So if price is to break below this level after getting our first TP smashed, then we're looking out for price to move to this level to get our second TP smashed. So that would be my second TP level, and my third TP level would be on this possibly would be on our trend support here. Would be on this trend support, because market could react on this level. Even on these 3 TP levels, I'm still looking out for long-term sells to this identified level. This level got price breakout from on this consolidation. I'm expecting price to sell deeply to this identified level in the coming weeks and days on Central Index. So that's my view and market analysis on this index. So watching out for confirmations on the retest of this level to short Central Index. So that's it, guys. Smash like button for more market analysis like this and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. To my channel viewers, I appreciate the support for always engaging my videos. Let me support, guys. Let's do more and have enough day.